Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, 9th of November 2018. So the pound fairly quiet yesterday, no surprise. We can expect it after the moves that we've seen recently. Market needs to consolidate. And we started off with a buy signal. You can see how the market closed back above the 200 bar moving average there. Only traded up to the 131.50 before moving back and then putting in a short, and then the market going short and cancelling the buy side there with a small loss. And it took the market a moment or two to move down. You can see a 76% retracement there, and also another one here. So we'd like a double 76% retracement here. I'll take this out here. So we've got from here down to here. You can see there 76%. Let me just remove these other lines. In fact, I'll make this a bit easier for myself. Just go to settings and to, I can see it, it's definitely there. There we go. And just leave the 62 and the 76. And then if you draw in the next one from the same high down to this low, you'll see you've got the 76% retracement there as well. And then eventually the market moves lower there. And also notice at this area as well, you've got the DP and also the market breaking back through the not only the 76%, 62% area, but also the 200 bar moving average. It came through twice there and then moved down. In the daily chart, you can see we're back below the 130, and that or at the 130 I should say. At the moment, a crucial level, we've spoken about this, and the market, if it fails to hold above this, then we're heading back to the downside. And what I'd be inclined to do here is to take this low to this high and watch the 130.47. That's going to be an interesting. It's actually 130.04.7 as well, just to clarify that. So yeah, the pound's looking quite weakish there. It's starting to give back some of the gains. And what have we got? Let's have a look. PPI from the US, GDP for the UK at 9:30. That's showing wow, it's hardly breaking the bank, this stuff, is it? 0.1 forecast for GDP. But that is month on month as well now. They've changed the way they calculate this because it looks better for the mainstream news. And that's about it really, manufacturing prelim GDP. So there's one or two out, but nothing to, say that it's going to make a big difference. Anyone that would is the GDP, but now I can say they calculate it differently now. They do it month by month instead of quarter by quarter. Again, it helps to massage the problems with the economy, or the lack of growth in the economy. So in the Dow yesterday, let's start off with the daily chart so we can see what happened. Well, not a fat lot. And again, yesterday I said this was going to be the case following the midterm election results. And we're now stuck at the 76% retracement in this market also. And yesterday we saw the market move higher, and then we get the 76% retracement sitting on the 50 bar moving average. The market breaks back through the 200 bar moving average, the black line. The market moves higher. We get a 62% retracement of this bar, and then we see prices move higher once again. And then it's straight down, ready for the FOMC minutes, which came out at 7 p.m. I suspect nothing changed. I didn't actually look. Let me just have a quick look here. No, nothing changed as far as the rates were concerned. 2.25%. They generally increase with the live meetings and not the ones in between. Yeah, every quarter, live meeting. Next one, December. There's a bit of debate whether they will increase in December or not. We'll see. But anyway, it caused a bit of volatility here, so an interesting one there. for the market remaining unchanged. I don't know whether they're expecting rates to be increased outside of one of the live meetings or not, but that's what the net effect was. And then the Dow moved lower following this. And overnight, we've seen the retracement there. We're back through the 76, I keep saying 76%, 200 bar moving average. And you can see they're sitting on this as well throughout here. And eventually we move above it. We've certainly got some selling here. You can see that there. And the market back at the moment below the 200 bar moving average, but sitting on the DP on the overnight. It's Friday, so Fridays generally the markets are tried to move higher, but we'll just have to wait and see. And finally, Bitcoin, well, it's not doing a lot, sideways still. It's as if it's making a new sideways market at this new price level, which you can see there is range bound. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know. But other than that, have a great weekend. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.